So I'm washing my wife's car, trying to get my light out. So we got a new frog. He is super cute, and there's another guy on the internet that also had a frog living in his house, and he 3D printed some stuff for him. Oh, I scared him. Anyways, he's a cutie. So we're gonna see what this guy's gonna do. So we're gonna name him, and we're also gonna 3D print. Let me turn the light off. We're also gonna 3D print him a house. So guys, let me know what kind of house you want. We haven't figured out a name. We just don't know if he's gonna stick around. So appreciate Drake's song. I'm sure he'll approve. But yeah, so we got a frog, man. North American frog. I think he's a toad. All right, keep you guys posted.